This is the first face of us. Not a human, but the root of humanity. In layers of rock and time, this skull preserved millions of years of silent refinement. Thick brow ridge, large jaw, small brain case, traces of a being on the boundary between beast and human ancestor. From fossils like this, our story begins. Among damp roots, two early apes entered the struggle for survival: Ardipithecus, small, agile, tree-dwelling; Sahelanthropus, stronger, sturdier, and beginning to stand upright at moments. As food vanished from the trees, they faced their greatest fear: stepping onto the ground for the very first time. This is the foundation of the hominin line, where the story of becoming human truly begins. In the remaining forests of ancient Africa, food grew scarcer each day. Ardipithecus, with its small body and agile long arms, clung to its tree-based lifestyle. It searched for the last ripe fruits, brushing leaves aside and carefully picking soft berries. As fruits dwindled, Ardipithecus turned to food sources it rarely touched before: rotting bark, larvae, termites, ants, and tiny insects. Fatty larvae became a vital energy source as the forest declined. Not far away, Sahelanthropus, living closer to the ground, faced harsher realities. It flipped stones to gather ants, dug soft roots for moist soil, and crushed seeds with strong jaws. There were no choices, only survival instinct. During this time of scarcity, an important behavior emerged: they began observing and learning from one another. When one individual found edible fruit, others approached without fighting, sharing, sometimes unconsciously. It was the first sign of social bonding. Amid thinning forests and expanding savannas, those tiny meals nourished not only their fragile bodies but also their emerging capacity to adapt, cooperate, and change. These were the first small yet crucial steps in the evolutionary journey. Between 6 and 3 million years ago, Africa dried. Forests shrank. Fruits dwindled. Storms shook the treetops where our ancestors clung together, but the forest could no longer feed them. hunger grew stronger than fear. They climbed down by day to gather roots, tubers, insects, anything edible. But at night or during storms, they retreated to the branches. 2 lives, day on the ground, night in the trees. As forests thinned, hominins became exposed prey. Saber-tooths, ancient hyenas, hidden in tall grass. One misstep meant death. But on the ground they discovered something trees never offered: they could run farther, faster, and above all, cooperate. Trees were no longer safe. They found natural shelters, rock overhangs, crevices, caves. For the first time, hominins had homes on land. Walking upright wasn't a gift of nature but the selection of survivors. Standing tall let them see farther, run longer, carry food, hold children, and wield stones or sticks. Those early steps were the first toward mastering the earth. The world grew hotter. Rains irregular. Forests retreated. Savanna spread like an ocean of gold. To find fruit, they walked farther, sometimes tens of kilometers a day. The ground offered food trees could not: starchy roots, seeds, insects, carcasses, even warm remains left by predators. A trembling hominin sliced into fresh meat. The smell was sharp, steam rising. The first raw bite, fearful, yet charged with energy. Meat fed the growing brain. And a larger brain changed everything. Human language began not with words but instinctive cries, warnings, calls, commands. Gestures followed, hand waves to gather, head jerks for danger, rising and falling tones meaning go, stay, food, threat. These signals formed the earliest threads of connection and thought. From such primitive sounds, the seed of language was planted. No one could survive alone on the ground. They watched, shared food, protected young, fled together. This was the first social structure, the primal commune of early hominins. And then, at the first dawn over the savanna, they walked. Tiny figures stepping toward the light, unaware their footprints would shape evolution. From them, a new species would rise, one with skillful hands, able to shape stone and craft tools. That story begins in the next episode, Homo habilis, the hands that changed fate. This story has only just begun. If you want to witness how humanity evolves, hit like, share, and subscribe right now. The next episode takes you to the moment humans created their first tools. A small moment that changed everything. Don't miss it, turn on notifications, and continue the evolution with us.